Having trouble with your SD card on your Mac? Formatting your SD card can solve compatibility issues, boost performance, and even fix file corruption. Let's dive in. First, insert your SD card into your Mac's SD card slot or a card reader. Next, we'll open Disk Utility. You can find it by searching for it using Spotlight search in the top right corner of your screen. Type Disk Utility and select the app. Once Disk Utility is open, you'll see a list of drives and volumes. Select your SD card from the list now. We have a couple of formatting options if you just need basic data storage. Choose Erase for the card. Choosing Erase erases everything and offers common formatting options. Click Erase at the top when you're ready. A prompt will appear asking for your new card name and what format you want to use. Choose a descriptive name for your SD card. For format, exFAT is a great choice for compatibility with both Macs and Windows. If you primarily use the card with this Mac, choose APFS, which offers better performance. Then, select a scheme, most commonly GID partition map. Double-check your settings and then click Erase. Disk Utility will now format your SD card. This process usually only takes a moment, so be patient while it completes. Once complete, you'll see a confirmation, and your SD card is ready to use. Now you know how to format your SD cards the safe, easy way. Remember to back up important files before formatting. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more Mac tips.